Can I go ahead and listen? Will I get in your way?
Nope.
Rep risks and their heart rate, so we monitor them very carefully. Our priority is the blood. Because
Ready?
over the past 2 weeks, we've seen that stabilize, and that's definitely.
It's on cool. The temperature, it's not on hot.
Sea otters have the densest hair of any mammal. They have a pie suit. When it gets dirty and matted, then they no longer have that protection against the cold environment.
It's gonna wake up very quickly.
Yeah, okay, eyes open, head up. That she's becoming.